friends, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new here. My name is Sheryl. I love decorating with style on a budget, and I love to try to make my home look a lot more expensive than it really is. So if you are into home decor and home decorating with style all on a budget, then this is the channel for you. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, tap the notification bell, and become a member of the iStylEMYSTYLE family. Today's video is part of an open collaboration by the Timeless and Elegant Decor Club. Our host is Allie from Glam Elegant Living. Her co-hosts are Petal from Petalisbless DIY, Bree from Bree's Project Book, and myself, Sheryl, with iStylEMYSTYLE. And this is an open collaboration that we host seasonally, and this is the Christmas edition. And what Allie has asked us to do is to feature 3 or 5 home decor items that we think are timeless and elegant. Now, since this is the Christmas edition, today I will be talking about the things that I think are timeless and elegant. And one of those for Christmas, of course, are nutcrackers. Nutcrackers, I do not think you can go wrong. It is a timeless and elegant staple. You can find them in Christmas decor around the world. And I especially love this one this year that I picked up from Target. It is part of the Threshold collection. So pretty. It was $25. And I know Target currently has some Christmas items on clearance. So if you have not yet completely decorated and you're still on the hunt, make sure you go check out Target to see if you can find this little guy. I don't think you can go wrong. And he is the perfect timeless and elegant Christmas decor addition. The next item that I think is timeless and elegant is any glass Christmas tree. Now, I picked this one up from Target, again from the Threshold collection, and I don't know if you can tell, but it has like a golden brown and glass tone, so perfect, and it fits perfectly here with the decor theme here in my loft. There you go, you can see it a little better. This I picked up from Target. It was, I think it was like $20. Again, Target has their Christmas decor, some of it at least on sale. So if you're still in the hunt, make sure you go check it out. Timeless decor option for Christmas. I also picked up these glass Christmas trees from Target. The amber colored one came from the Target dollar spot. It was just $5. And then this one also came from the Threshold collection, and it was, I want to say, $10. So again, very timeless and elegant decor pieces. And I think I've talked about this many times before, maybe in a past timeless and elegant decor collaboration for Christmas, but I talked about deer. Deer, I think you cannot go wrong. They are a very timeless and elegant decor option for Christmas and even after Christmas. So these are the very infamous deer that everyone fell in love with on Pottery Barn. These are not the deer from Pottery Barn. These actually came from Big Lots, and they were a very affordable option to the Pottery Barn ones. And I know they also had some at Aldi, I believe. So again, if you're still on the hunt, you have not completely decorated, make sure you go check out your local Aldi or Big Lots. You might run across these, and these are the perfect timeless and elegant decor pieces that you can use in your home for the holiday and even after for winter. Another timeless and elegant decor option are bells. So these bells I picked up several years ago from Amazon, and I just love the brassy gold tones. You guys know that I am bringing in the warm brass and gold and bronze into my home, not just for the holiday, but in general. And I decided to use these for Christmas. And bells, I believe, are a timeless and elegant decor option. Like this one, they're looking a little more rustic. If you did not want them to look rustic, you could take off this twine and add a luxe ribbon, maybe one in black or a black velvet, a black silk one. But these bows are timeless and elegant. You see them everywhere at Christmas time. And then the last thing that I think is a timeless and elegant decor piece to have is greenery. You cannot go wrong with greenery. You use them in several different applications. I like to use them in a floral arrangement, as you see here, and you can change the look just by changing out a few items. So here on the coffee table in my family room, you see I have them decorated with some red poinsettias and some green and red ornaments, along with these really like iced berries from Hobby Lobby. It gives a very glam and elegant look to the coffee table, and it did not cost a lot of money. I also used them in my lounge, and I featured them using black and white. So again, faux greenery I think is a very timeless and elegant decor piece to have, especially for Christmas and during the winter season. So I would like to thank Allie for hosting this open collaboration. I will leave a link for the playlist of all the participants down below, as well as a link of the co-hosts in the description box down below. Please make sure you go check out everyone's video. You are sure to get tons of decorating inspiration. And yeah, if you have enjoyed today's content and it has inspired you, then please make sure to give the video a big thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you have not yet become a part of the iStylEMYSTYLE family, I would so appreciate it if you would hit the subscribe button and become a part of the family. I hope you guys all have a very wonderful and happy holiday, and I hope to see you in the next one.